What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another tutorial, but it's gonna be based on Snapchat. So I noticed when I started using Snapchat, when I'm doing my streaks, what streaks are is like you have a friend on Snapchat and you send each other pictures. The more you send each other, let's say you've been sending each other pictures for about 3 months, it's more like an achievement on Snapchat. Yeah, it's just for fun. Most people don't get it, but yeah, it's just for fun. But there's a new feature where you can send a picture from your gallery as a snap, because usually you're just supposed to take a snap with your camera and send it, but now you can just do it automatically from your gallery. Yeah, let me just open up. So I'm gonna just show you my current streaks at the moment. So these are the people I'm streaking with currently. I don't think it's a good idea to show you the names, but yeah, I just want to show you that. So what you're gonna do, first step, just hold on your screen like until the filters load. Alright, so they've loaded. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna look for a certain filter with an arrow, which is this one. I have it here just automatically because I've been using it. Right, I'll use this one. So I've chosen this picture and I'm just gonna click on the circle or the button here to take a photo. Then it has taken the photo. So I'm gonna click on send to. Then I'll just select a few. Then I'll just click on this blue button right here down here to the top bottom right corner. Yep. And it's gonna send to the people that I've selected. So right there you can see it has sent. So just as easy as that. Just go back again. You have to hold down on the screen, look for this filter, click it, then you send to your streakers or people you're streaking with. As good as done. I think it was a new update to Snapchat. I think it never had this from the beginning. Yeah, it's more like a new feature and whatnot. So yeah, if you enjoyed the tutorial, if you think maybe I left out something, you can comment in the comment sections. Please like the video, subscribe, means a lot to me. Yeah, thanks. Check you out on the next video.